All right. Let's see. Is anything happening? Is anybody online? Hey Dan, you came unprepared again. And then, the light. Okay, so seems that we are live. Hey Sebastian. Yeah, we are. Okay, so apparently it's a good weather. It's a good weather in the Netherlands with the sun outside. So I've got this lovely window which overexposes everything. Okay, so without further ado, let's go and see what we have. What we have in our workboard today. Clip editor crash. That seems an interesting one. But I was kind of planning to work on another issue. Yeah, that's a good question. What I'm gonna to work on. Was planning to work on some masking related issues, but now I see there's a crash report. So when there crashes, cannot repro, still cannot repro. Sound integer overflow, that's not bad. I mean, that's not good. Generation developer. Okay, let's quickly look into this one because crash is quite a bad one. So let's see what happens here. End frame, start frame. Okay. How do we repro? I cannot click on those. Also, this. I know it's all fine. How do I access the videos? Coded. What? Quote. How to download? View? Okay, what is this? So those files are tech features and prefetch. Hey Danny. Okay, where's my... Let's call this my terminal. Okay. Okay. No, I need to create a new VFX, overwrite, open. Okay, save, detect features, brief. This is that worked fine. That's the wrong terminal window. Now it's the right terminal window. Detect features. Oops. And prefetch. Okay, let's quickly check one thing. The computer feels slower today. Start frame and frame. Hello everyone. How is it going on your side? Will you get involved in geometry nodes project at any point? Who knows? You're welcome, Mark. So, this linking. Hello, early gamer. Top features. Ooh, this is interesting. Okay, let's make it a bit more. Oops. So this one is simple. But we need to do something here. Coverage. Second object free. Ah. Okay. Okay, so the issue we're working on is this one. It's a slightly detour from what I was planning to do, but I just saw the crash happening, so that's the report we are working on now, and I think that's quite straightforward, at least to implement the signed integer overflow part of it. Because what is possibly happening here is that if there are no tracks at all, then the start frame will be int max, the end frame will be minus int max, then you subtract stuff, you overflow +1, and then you allocate array of an unknown size. Well, yeah, that's exactly the thing. It's you calculate the minimum from it, because you don't know the minimum, you assign it to the maximum possible value. So let's see. Oops. Well, such state is created because it's not impossible to ask dope sheet to be recalculated from a state where you don't have any tracks. Okay, compiled. Checked features. Prefetch. Nothing crashes. Perfect. Yeah. Oops. Wait, what? Why is it zooming to center? And maybe it's fine. But anyway, so the point is it seems to work. At least we fixed the integer overflow, and that I think was causing all the issues. Okay, let's go write a reply. time. I change subtype bug. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so but the issue I wanted to look into was over here. This one. This is a fun one. The movie clip. Insert. Oh, that's insert first. Like, what's the easiest one? Which of these fails is the easiest to repro? No time. Insert. Okay. Insert first line. Insert keyframe. Insert second spline. Change the handle type. Oops. Oops. I need a third monitor. I absolutely must have a third monitor. Okay, how do I do this? Select. I need it somewhere handy. I can also print it. How about that? Now, where is my OBS? There is my OBS. There. Okay. Let's mute this and let's follow one of the fails. Look into one of the fail scenarios. Insert first. Okay, so four monitors can be a bit too much. Hello, Inosh. Okay. So masking, eh? Circle. Insert keyframe. Insert second spline. Change handle from on one point of the second spline from outer to aligned. Aligned. Scrub the timeline. Yay! What is that? Okay, at least we can repro. That's already good. Now, what is the easiest? Hello, Mike. Okay, so if we save and reload now. Like actually, if we do it now. Oh, I forgot to do the keyframe. Insert keyframe. So if I save and reload now. Hello, Healthy. Okay, it is really important to do all the steps at once without saving and reloading. Well, while it might sound tricky, it might be as simple as a missing dependency graph update. So let's recompile fresh Blender. Hello, Sergey. Hi Simon, how are you doing? Finally tuned in. Now our department is tuning in. Simon, you should drag Matt here. Okay, so insert keyframe. Hold on a minute. I forgot to pay attention to the logs. So add circle. I hope you can, well, yeah, the logs is the most important window here. The Blender is like, copy and write. Yes, that's good. C-ish. Okay. Now we do insert keyframe. Copy and write, mask eval update. That's so far so good. Adding new spline. Does the eval copy and write? That's fine. And vector also does this. Wait a minute. So vector is fine. Hello, Matt. Yeah, there's always something going on. But if you click the bell notification button below, like someone help me how this typical phrase goes. Click subscribe and click the notification button. Well, not real, but need to be there, right, Mike? Blender accounts are safe. They are absolutely in a different place. Smash that like button, yes. Okay. Now I start to question myself. Let's go to the good old days and open some footage. Just a random one. The one from the bug report we just fixed. And save just in case. Circle. Insert. Insert another one. Realigned. Oh! What a lovely thing! Sebastian, how do you like this? It's... this bug's been there forever. What have you figured out about this bug so far? Okay, so far I figured that it's not caused by the dependency graph changes in 2.80. It's been there in 279, and probably it's been there since forever. Huh. Lovely. So... yeah, exactly. Okay. Well, if we do debug build and we see what happens. But then it means should be able to save and reload. Change to aligned. Yes. So this works. Oops. Task number, one moment, so let's see if I can paste the link. This is the task. I was kind of hoping for some debug print or some assert or some other clue. Okay, Simon, see you. Good luck with the meeting. Okay. Eval animation, eval update. Evaluate animation. What is this twin thing? Oh. Doesn't compile. List base count.
Oop.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay, once again. Aligned. Oh, so here is the thing. Check this out. We open the file, right? I cannot clear the thing. Like, where are those? Where there is nuns? Where are those nuns? Where they came from? Circle. Insert. So far so good. And another. There, like why? Like why? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where? Like, where is all this coming from? That's the question now. I have dealt with this course code before. Why it's calling? Yes, it can be. It totally calls it about data because of this. Not a number. Not a number is not a good data. But where it's coming from? How? So where are we adding points? That's mask. Mask evaluate. So there needs to be a place where we update an animation for the new splines added. Let's make it bigger here. But where is it? Oh, it's circle. Mask. Okay, new point. Mask clear shape odd changed. Spline. Mask layer. Layer shape changed odd. But a new point added resize all shape key array. To do. Assume close curve for now. Okay. Did the compile debug? Let's make sure we have a debug. Oops. Mask calc point handle. It might, but the input for the animation, the stored shape also looks odd, and that comes before the handle calculation. Oops. 234, yes. Oops. So it's 3. Equal grep. That is odd. Oh, I mean, this is not too bad. So the first two were quite alright. Because those are very calculated, so zeros is okay. This one is interesting. P-core, P-pref. What is this P? Uh-huh. 3.14. Well, yeah, duh. What's that to do with the masking? I mean, it's a circle. Like 0, second, third. Closest. PTR, PTB. Okay, it's all zeros, right? UV. So that's fine. Oh, there we go. PT online, PT. Oh my, oh, ah. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. So where are you used? Oh, it's only used here. Not too bad. So I can play around with it. How do you close the search? Oh, oh. Why? Why it needs to be written like this? What? What a mess. So if it's... They're both 0. Just something kind of already conserving. What is this up? What is this about? It's about fixing long-standing issue with the masking. And they use the program. Well. land or circle. Definitely so much fun. Hey Sibren, yes it is. It's early. Okay, so this thing didn't explode so far. Let's try stuff from scratch. Circle. So insert a spline, insert a keyframe. Insert the second spline on the same frame. Change the handle type. Handle type aligned. Screw the timeline. Oops. Nope. Which is interesting. So there are not a numbers. Let's try it again. So insert, save, insert. So there is not a numbers anymore, which is good. But I guess 0 is also not good. So why is it so? Actually, why is it so? Where is our function? Thank you, Proiza. Spline point. Actually, I think I kind of have an idea of what's going on. No. Or yes. Actually, let's do it even here. Overcome the previous issues, the tracker. Which previous issue you're talking about? Cognitive complexity. No, but I mean, what's I don't understand. Why do we need to interpolate anything? Like, why? And what is doing it and doing it interpolate? I don't get it. That's beyond my cognitive complexity. Okay. So, because we're asking, hey, please create this primitive, right? It wouldn't have any animation before. And we just want it to be like that. We don't want any interpolation. It's absolutely created from scratch spline. Why? Well, healthy. That's a bit different. But yes, you also shouldn't interpolate. You should do the deep learning animation without artist, like, how do I put it? Artistic driven AI powered animation. How about that? So doing it we want, doing it interpolate we do not want. So obviously mask layers plan index +1 true false. There we go. Never. Bebop animation. Hey Matt, shall I go into the AI driven rigging solutions? Blender truly does need some AI. Blockchain. Because we do have AI, right? We have the open image denoiser, which is technically AI. So check this out. Other spline. Well, optics is on a driver side technically. But yeah, that's also AI, I think. Huh. It's still... Why are you still zeros? Cycles NFT, Adam. Oh no. Just GPG, man. Save the planet. Are we in the office? Well, some of us are. Maybe like half-half. Wait a minute. Hold up a minute. From points. Ah, no. No. Okay. Oh. Well, actually, let's go back here. Cockpit handle. So close this. Close this. Go here. New points. Copy pasta. Famous Italian dish. Copy pasta. I forgot what I wanted to copy paste. Ah, this line. So we need 3 points. Wait a minute, Matt. What is arguably? Wait, what? You're trying to confuse me. Having... Oh, other than to... Ah. But come on, you can do Beat Saber with one hand, right? Lovely. TDB. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Don't try this at home. Just for a quick experiment. I think the real Beat Saber expert will do it with, like, not a sword, but like the tiny dagger, single tiny dagger. Let's see what's going on. But now it doesn't work. Oh. Oh. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Is this how you want it to be? Okay. Well. Okay, almost good. Line on. Huh. Changed on. Much. No, come on. Like this. This should be able to work. Let's just use our persuasion ability. Persuasion ability with a modifier +4 from our wisdom. Well, healthy plus 10 charisma to you. Okay. Okay, so this works. Now I just need to make it somehow more better. Like this code I can barely understand. Hey Jason. Okay. Let's... No. Ay, ay, ay. Thank you. Location. Now we do it all again. What's being developed? Bug fix for the deforming, unexpectedly deforming mask when you add them combined with animation. Hey. So what do you think? Will it work? Well, it doesn't compile. And then, oi, oi, oi. The semicolon. Oops. Key curve. Where did you learn software development? By doing software development. The best way to learn. You learn things by doing things. And from failing doing the things. What is this? Use F-curve. Smoothing. Ay, ay, ay. Handle type. Yes, we forgot to put the handle types. H1. H2. Oh no, Healthy, why did you do that? Hi, Hi, Lydia. Say привет. Привет! Just comment out random logs until it works. I mean, easier to remove the entire source folder, right? Okay. Oi, oi, oi. I mean, that's interesting. Also, we forgot to free the memory, but that's alright. Few points. So why did we break the UVs? UVs. Also, what if we restore this to true, the way it used to be? What does the Blender dev think of Rust lang? It's alright language. It's so niche. H1, H2, H1, H2. I mean, why? Why? What's wrong with you? Also, spline point. New point, new spline point. Mem recolloc. So it is clear. Okay, I mean, you can try clear a lock. can it make sense to calloc here? Yeah, width and radius. Okay. Circle. Yay! So let's follow the instructions again. Add circle. Add keyframe. Insert second spline. On the same frame, change things to be aligned. Cannot say that's entirely wrong. Handle calc. Oh, then previous, then next. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Check this out. Now it will work. Just check this. Shibrin, you just like end up explicitly mentioning that everything is mutable. Because otherwise it just becomes annoying, and that was the point, right? Yeah, why not? Oh man. I mean, it's, I don't know. Okay, add, insert keyframe, insert circle, IA. Change to vector. Start again. Add a circle. Insert keyframe. Add another circle. Aligned. Yay! Figure out how auto keying works. Oh. Oh. I'm not sure you wanna know. It might make you depressed, Sibrin. You can't handle the truth. I mean, it's somewhere in the transform code. Transform keying? No, there is no transform keying. Cause I'm winning. Cannot speak today. Well, cannot speak, just period, I guess. Okay. circle, insert, add another circle, the same frame, aligned, scrub the timeline. Yes, so far so good. It's only set cleared in the C code and doesn't seem to be actually read. Just remove it then. This is the same. Like where? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! My system froze. Ay ay ay. Ay 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 ay. Browser. That's not really cool. I can still hear you. Well, I think something went wrong. So I can stream this thing. I can stream this thing. Link everything, yes. Dr. Epilepsy. Links return is in danger. Oh my god. Hey Danny, shall we debug what the hell just happened? I think compositor just crushed or something. Compositor re-enable. No. Anyway. Okay, let's just reboot. I cannot reboot in the middle of the stream. Where is my terminal now? There's no terminal anymore. Where is the terminal? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Let's see, can I? Oh no, come on. How do I do it? How do I do it without blinking that much? Oh, there it goes again. Okay, okay. It's unfrozen. That's good. GGB doesn't blink, which is also good. Oh, GGB the terminal. Okay, now. I'm sorry, Matt. I'm trying to quickly fix my stream so I can do the commit and call the stream done, because everything seems to fall apart. Okay. And then he's not a DOS. Simple enough. Well, it's also distracting enough. Hey Sebastian, are you still around? Do you actually use the mask primitives? Question mark? What's the keyboard? It's Cherry Mix Board 3 with the red cherry clickers. Okay, there is this thing, and then the next thing. Still think we shouldn't interpolate. Like here. We shouldn't interpolate. Like, that's what we That's what we should be doing. Hint, hint, wink, wink. Yeah. We should go to the tool system. I think we've been active in the patch working on the toolification. Need to catch up on that eventually. With the keyboard I want to try the blue clickers, but I'm not sure yet which keyboard is the best for that. So circle, keyframe, circle, change to aligned. Points. Ah, yeah, typo. Ah. Let's fix it soon. So. And. Okay. Aha. What now? And it is, well, no. Russians reject existence of all those auxiliary verbs. Articles do not exist, these auxiliary verbs do not exist. There is a word missing. Well, it's an extra allocation. It is only done for a small amount of points, and it is not in the critical code path. I think all the words are here. Having this one as current. No, the word was is. Oh, okay. It was missing. Yeah, okay, so Sebastian, check this out. Seems to work. TM. So we push and we test. How about that? Origin master. Yeah, let's just do it. It's not like we are releasing tomorrow. It'll be fine. Okay, that's done. Technically we still have 10 minutes, but I don't think there is any small bug which we can fix in a 10 minutes time. So let's gradually wind down and call it done. Twin work, not a branch. Yes, Sebastian, why, what was the reasoning we didn't create the branch? Shall we just create a branch for you? Run the unit test should fill some time. Wait a minute. Danny, why my developer the blender.org is fully white? Like, this is what I see. What did it break? Run regression tests. The masks are not covered with the regression tests. Shame. Sure, Sebastian, sure. The commit writes a global. It could be like the outcome of my GPU stall, that the Chrome became all white. If it works for you, then it's all fine. It's me, Igor, me. Try incognito. Or Firefox. Use a real browser. Use a real operating system. With real drivers. I think Chrome just needs reload. The source is empty. Ah. Tough life, I guess. The front page works for me. It's that specific page does not. I don't understand why. Now it works. Awesome. Thanks, Danny. Well, now it doesn't work anymore. I think I would need to reboot. Okay. It's all the websites are white. So it's not fabricated, it's just some global browser issue. Oh. All those GPU rendering techniques. Oh no! Danny, why did you break the internet? I'll break the entire internet. The source page is shown as empty white page as well. No, no. URL to open. Do we trust this cookie stuff? There. The real web browser says that everything works. No, it's not white on white. It's the rendering issue. It's the rendering issue since the entire system stalled. There. Whatever that is. Anyway. In package I have usable text page. Well, I mean, I'll install Gopher and migrate mailing list to NTP. No, it all works. No worries, guys, girls. It's all fine. Ignore it. We'll be fine. I don't think that's the right place for those questions. Okay, so couple of minutes and we would need to call it quits. Andrea Weikard is here. Hello. Been a while. How are you doing? Will they be blended today? Yeah, they should be blended today. That's why I want just to quickly run regression tests. See that nothing fails, call it done, so then you can go and have a bit of a break between streams. Do I have a favorite code text editor? Currently I use VS Code. Seems to work alright for me. Can't say that it's favorite. For some stuff I do use Vim. On other platforms I might use Notepad++, so it really depends. Sometimes even Midnight Commander is way more efficient way to search and replace for something. Okay. You're welcome, Lopo. Good old 2D days. Says access violation. Well, that's a bit too vague. You can be caused by many factors. Maybe driver issue, maybe some environment issue with Python path. Oh wow, we do have more tests. Composer tests are here. That's cool. There we go. All the tests pass. Everything's fine. So as far as we can concern, everything works. So successful fix, which is nice. An issue which was there since the dawn of times. Always great to have those fixed. So anyway, that being said, let's consider that the stream is done. Go to the evening tea, stuff like that. It is one of the chat. Okie dokie, thanks for tuning in, and I guess see you all next week, hopefully. Until then, have a good one.